It's him and I, a criminal.
What's going on YouTube? This is Marcos from Criminal Pressure Washing, and I'm back again with another video. In this video, I'm going to explain to you the difference between soft wash and pressure washing. I know it's good to save a buck or two, try to do the job yourself, but sometimes it's good to go ahead and call a professional in to do the job for you. These marks right here on the side of this house are from using high pressure. When you're using a high pressure tip on the house, it can do this damage to your house. And what it basically is doing is not really damage the wood itself, it's basically stripping off the paint. Or if you have oxidation on the house, what it's going to do is going to leave these type marks. So to be safe, it's always good to do a soft wash system where you just spray the chemicals on there, let it come clean, and rinse the chemical off. It's not as harsh as this. You may get a few marks, but it won't be this bad. So this is the main reason I tell people do not use high pressure on houses. It's not because you cannot do it, it's just you taking the chances doing this. Now let's start off with soft washing. Right here in the video, I'm using the X-Jet, but you can get the same results downstreaming using a J-Rod or a black soap tip. Make sure that you water down the grass, all bushes and plants. Start from the bottom and work your way up to the roof line. When applying chemicals toward the bottom or you're standing close to the house, make sure that you're using a fan tip. Now you can switch to a zero tip or a straight stream tip when you're standing back, or you need to reach high places where you have to use a ladder to spray the house to apply chemicals. The key to soft washing is letting the chemical dwell on the house for at least 5 to 10 minutes. It depends on how strong your chemical is. Now, when I use the soft wash system, I can wash a house in 30 to 45 minutes. So my method is I start on the front side of the house and then I work my way down to the end. Once I make it to the end, I continue around the corner and go to the end of the house toward the back. Now that I applied all my chemical, I go back to the front of the house where I started. I'm going to start at the top of the house near the roof line and rinse all the chemical down toward the bottom. When I rinse the house down, I use the J-Rod with the low pressure tip. I can also use the X-Jet. I just have to make sure that the hose is not in the chemical bucket. Now I'm going to repeat this same process on the back side of the house and the other side of the house that I didn't do. Make sure that you follow these instructions so you won't have a mess like at the beginning of this video. Now when washing the house with bricks or concrete, you can get away using high pressure tips. Now if the house is stucco, make sure you stick with the soft wash system so you won't do any damage. You can also soft wash brick houses, but what happens is the mold and mildew get stuck inside the brick and it's hard to come out, so that's why you have to use high pressure. Now if the bricks are painted, you may want to go ahead and do a soft wash system with that because you can strip the paint off the bricks. And if the painted bricks do not come clean, just use a soft brush to agitate the area and reapply chemical with a pump sprayer. If you're not confident in using the pressure washer, go ahead and hire a professional because it will save you money in the long run. Okay, that's going to do it for this video. I hope that you found it entertaining. If not, I hope you at least learned something from it. If not, go back and look at the video because you skipped over the good parts. Once again, if you're a subscriber, thank you for subscribing to the channel. If not, make sure that you hit that subscribe button and hit that like button. Then turn on the notification bell so you know when my next video comes out. This is Marcos from a Criminal Pressure Washer, and I will see you in my next video.
It's him and I, a criminal.